Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jish, and in this video we're going to be doing a month-on review of the Ruroc Atlas 4.0. Now, some of you may know that I attended the Atlas 4.0 launch party in London, which was awesome, may I add, getting to see all the designs and hearing all the technical information about these helmets. But when reviewing a helmet and trying it out, those words can only mean so much. You need to actually be able to take them out and test drive them and see for yourself how they act and feel and everything. And hopefully this video will alleviate some of those thoughts that you may have towards the helmet. So I've probably got about 150 miles use with the helmet now, real world riding, hence why I'm making this month-on review where I've actually got some good miles behind me using the helmet, and I can actually tell you what it's like on the road riding with this helmet. But as a leisure rider, doing short distances to cafes and riding the bike that I've just built, which I'll leave a little tab up here just so you can see. But yeah, this is my experience with that helmet within those miles. Now with the Atlas 4.0, they have said this is the quietest Atlas yet. And they're right, it is very, very quiet compared to the other ones. My bike's quite loud and usually gives me a bit of a headache when I'm riding along, sitting at a certain RPM and all that. But with this helmet, I didn't get any of that. It was just nice. What I can take away from it mostly is the actual lining of the helmet feels so much better. It's quite a tight helmet to get on and off, but once you've got it on, it is so comfortable. There's no worries of having loads of little breaks to kind of let your head breathe and get that pressure off. It doesn't feel like that. It's really quite comfortable. Having the vent switches as well is such a handy thing, and it does make such a massive difference. Even when you're on your ride, you can just flick the switch and away you go. I've ridden in both cold weather and warm weather, and it does make a huge difference having that kind of availability to toggle between having the vents and not the vents. I know it's only such a small thing to praise, but when you're riding along, those small things do make all the difference. One of the things I really enjoyed the most is the adjustability on the visor, because the 2.0 did not have very much adjustability. It had like 4 points of adjustability, where this one you can adjust it far much more. And like for me, I like having a little bit of an air gap sometimes, but these are all little things anyway. Like all the Rurocs, they've got a very wide field of view, so you get to see a lot more of the road, and like just even looking over your shoulder, it makes it that much more easier. Then you don't have to like really throw your head around just to see what's going on behind you. You can actually have a little glance and away you go. Again, for the people that don't know, they've got something called fidlock, which is a magnetic locking system for the clasp rather than having the D-lock rings. When you've got gloves on, it makes it so easy just to snap on and off without having any troubles with trying to, fiddling under your chin for ages. It's so simple, so smooth, and it's quite satisfying going, and it's just on. Again, that's what I mean by the little details matter. With these helmets, you also can get something called shockwave, which is a Bluetooth intercom system, so you can listen to music, take calls, all that sort of thing. Really nice because it's built into the helmet and you don't have these cumbersome things attached onto the outside. I'm still waiting to try out the chain app, but I will be hopefully doing a review real soon on that. But from my experience, the shockwave system is really cool, and it's just nice to have that option of just being able to listen to music as you ride along. But yeah, overall I have been really enjoying this helmet. It's been my go-to helmet. I've been using it on so many different types of rides, from off-roading to nice cruising on the countryside roads. It's all been good, and I've loved every moment of it. So yeah, that's my experience with this helmet. If you haven't seen my first video on this helmet, I'll leave a link down below so you can check it out, because I go into all the details and the technicalities of this helmet, which blows my mind how engineered this helmet is. But yeah, go check it out. Let me know what you think. If this video is helpful to you, please leave a like down below. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.
Shout out to all my Patreons out there. Thank you for supporting. It really helps the channel grow.